Hi everybody. What we want to do is we want to help you get your home ready to sell. Now some things to take into consideration are the floors. Hey, I can't emphasize enough to keep the floors nice and vacuumed. During the sales process, keep them clean, keep clutter off the floors, everything. Another aspect of the house is windows. We want to make sure that our windows are nice and clean, that you can see through them, that you can look out, they're crystal clear, everything about them is pretty. Because you know what? What's outside the window is important to what's inside the house as well. Our tips are here to help you make more money for your property when you go to sell.
Hey Chris, I've got a question.
Yes.
How important is the scent and the smell of the house?
Can't emphasize that enough. Have you ever walked into a house and just said, oh my goodness, it smells like cats, or it smells like a dog's been living in here, a wet dog? Hey, keep that into consideration. If you own pets, or if you have pets that live in the house, or if you have a smelly husband, you know what? Just put some of those plug-ins in the walls, help to get rid of the scent, some great flavors and great smells that are good to the nose and good to the palate. Think lemon, think citrus, think orange. Anything along that lines will be pleasant to the person walking into the house. Good tip.